In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts from a file in Constant Contact. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking for a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step. Let's dive in and get started. The first thing you need is to log into your Constant Contact account. Make sure you have your login details ready and head over to the Constant Contact website to enter them. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which serves as your starting point for managing your email marketing efforts. Next, navigate to the Audience section located on the left-hand side of your screen. It's a key part of managing your contacts, so go ahead and click on Audience, then select Add Contacts. This is where you'll start the process of bringing new contacts into your email list. You'll be presented with several options for adding contacts, but for our purposes today, we're going to focus on Upload from File. Select this option as it allows you to seamlessly add a large number of contacts at once. Now it's time to select the contact file from your computer. Constant Contact supports various file formats such as CSV, TXT, XLS, and XLSX. Navigate on your computer to where your contact file is stored, click on it, and select it to be uploaded. Once the file is selected, you're ready to move on to the next step. After uploading your file, you'll need to map your file columns to Constant Contact fields. This essentially means matching the columns in your file, such as email addresses and first names, to the corresponding fields in Constant Contact. This step is crucial to ensure your contact's information is imported correctly. Take your time here to carefully map each column to its corresponding field to avoid any errors down the line. Next, you can choose to add these new contacts to an existing list or create a new one. If you have a specific audience in mind, it's best to organize them into a dedicated list. This will help you manage your contacts more effectively and allow you to easily target specific groups in your future marketing campaigns. Once you've mapped your fields and selected the list, take a moment to review and confirm your import settings, double-check all your selections, and once you're confident everything is set up correctly, proceed to confirm the import. With everything confirmed, you can sit back as Constant Contact does the heavy lifting for you, wait for the upload to complete, and make sure to check for any errors that may appear during the process. It's not uncommon for a file to have a slight hiccup, so keep an eye out and address any issues that might pop up. And that's it! You've successfully imported contacts from a file into Constant Contact. With your contacts now in your database, you're all set to engage your audience and start planning your email campaigns. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!